guys, this is XX100 Gaming. Today we're on Farming Simulator on the Xbox 360. Today we're on one of the baling things. So just right in the tractor. So it's a good tractor. Just start baling. Better just turn so just empty it just by time. It's a really good bale, really good size of bale, so it is. Last time I was doing GTA and had a GTA glitch put up about the gate that flings you up in the sky. So I'll do a couple of these and then I'll just stop. I did. Oh wait, no. I did some GTA. I found the bulldozer and stuff. So I did. And oh wait, jeez. So when it hits 30, I'll stop. Did the glitch and some things. So 30. So start doing Farming Simulator, and then after Farming Simulator I'll do some Minecraft. Last time I was doing Call of Duty Ghost and all and stuff, and what else did I do? So one more reel and then I'll stop. Just one more reel. Did some Call of Duty Ghost for you, and then so guys, I'll just stop here. Yeah, next time I'll do another thing of the spuds or something, or the corn, so you see a good bale comes out of it. So guys, I'll just stop here, like it, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.